G'day punters, this video is about mobile phone boosting signal and signal strength, signal quality remotely. There's been a bit of video on YouTube recently about modems and things like that. I'm going to talk very briefly about CelFi, which is what I've got in the cruiser here. And you can see that aerial on top of the roof, which is the mobile phone reception aerial and also transmitting aerial. You've seen this in previous videos. This is the CelFi booster. It has an aerial output, power in. Got a fuse here as well. Got a aerial input, and there's also an earth wire as well, which is over the other side as well. Aerial comes up the back of the canopy, and that's it there. This is the internal aerial just here. I had that located on the back window, but it was creating a problem. They call it separation between the internal area and the external area. I've also wired the booster separately to anything else, so it's not in the same circuit as anything else, except for the cigarette light adapter. It's actually wired to that, so I've got the wiring running under the center console. CelFi, I think from what I've read, say that they're the only authorised people to sell mobile phone boosters for Optus and Telstra. I'm not sure about the other networks. This is a Telstra one. It will run on a auto, so it'll flick between 3G and 4G, or you can lock it into 3G or 4G. At the moment I've got it locked into 3G. I'll show you what difference it makes on my phone shortly. Coming up the east coast from Bargara up towards just south of Cairns, we had it locked into 4G. But we're out at Woodley Station, which is Atherton Tablelands area, near Enoch Hot Springs. Every now and again we get a wisp of 4G, but 3G, maybe one bar. There's a 3G there, you can see all the bars up. I've got it running at the moment. I've got this door open. If I go a bit further away, like I'm over near the camper now, it still picks up about 3 bars, I think. 4 bars. The boss just said she's on the internet now. All the bars 3G. So it does provide a little bit of coverage external to the vehicle. I go turn the booster off and we'll see what happens. I've just turned the booster off. You can see there's a whisper of 4G there at the moment. I go turn the booster back on, and that's just wired to my accessory circuit, by the way. I've come back inside the car. You can see there's just 1 bar of 3G. I'm just about to turn the ignition on, so I'll just take a break. The ignition's now on. Hopefully we'll see that flick across to all the bars 3G shortly. There we go. All the bars 3G. That's with the booster running. CelFi is just a one-off cost. It's about $1,000 depending on what you order. No subscription needed. It's pretty easy to install. The only trick that I've encountered or experienced is making sure there's a separation between the aerial on the roof and the aerial that's inside. Well, that's all on this video. I'll probably drop another short video in the short term about our little Garmin personal EPIRB. Probably showing this in another video. That's it there, and we'll catch you later.